Hello everyone, today we are doing the $5 Goodwill challenge, which has been put on by Hilary from Old World Home. The idea is that you go out to a charity shop, a thrift shop, and get something for $5 that you can bring into your home to decorate for the Christmas season. We live in the UK, so we obviously took it out the equivalent of about £2.75 to buy something to bring into our home. So let me show you what I got. So firstly, I picked up this beautiful glass dish, and it's a little dome and it's so beautiful. And as you can see on the label, it was £1.50, and I immediately had the idea that I could do a little Christmas scene inside. So I've picked up some other bits and pieces, things that I had already actually that I can put inside. So I had this little decoration that Emily is displaying, and it had a ribbon on top to hang from the tree, but I'm going to use that inside the dome, along with some little reindeers.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 7
reindeers, and then I've got some little lights that I got from Poundland for £1 last year, which I'm going to use.
And the best bit, the snow, confetti snow.
Oh, some fake snow that we're going to use. So, Emily, shall we get on and make our Christmas scene? Yay! And then I'll show you where I'm going to put it.
Bunnies.
Thank you for joining us today while we made our little Christmas display. Thank you, Hilary, for putting on this challenge. We love doing it with every season. And Merry Christmas to all of my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, then I would love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas,
and you
everyone.
might see one of my videos
Yeah,
I've been doing.
definitely see one of Emily's videos before long. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye.